Hello my brothers and sisters, what's up? Today we'll learn how to make this 3D animation and how to use 3D CSS properties. I have already imported a lot of fonts from Google Fonts, and in HTML we have do h2. We give the first one front end class. It has the word front end, and we put every character in span to reach what we want. Next, we have developer h2, and we do what we did with front end h2. Great. Now we move to CSS. So we give the body 100% viewport height because we center our content, and a dark background color, and we center our headers with the flexbox. Next, we give every h2 its typography styling, as you see, and we add some perspective to their span, and we give to every span display inline block, so we can transform it, and it start from transform rotate 75 degrees and translate 50 pixels, and transform style perspective 3D. Here no need to use it, you can get rid of it, and the opacity 0, and our animation happens in 0.5 second forward. That means it remains as in 100% keyframes. And here is our keyframes. So it is in 0% and 100%. It transforms to rotate y0, translate 0, and opacity 1, as you see. Now we add animation delays, so every span is 0.05 second later than the one before it. And here we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.